Hello, my brothers and sisters. I come to you with a very important message, a very important event I'm starting right now. I'm officially starting the Love, Peace, Unity movement today, August 22nd, 2018. And what this is basically to help transform not only the hearts and lives of other people all around the world, all around America too, but to fill this world with more love, peace, and unity. To create a movement that'll sweep over everybody, captivating people, changing hearts, lives, and the world. Okay. This is the official announcement video. This is real. This is actually happening. I will be teaming up with multiple people and doing whatever I can. And if any of you viewers want to get involved, please send a message and we'll be sure to get all the information out to you as soon as we can. I also have a Facebook page or Facebook group exclusively for this. It's called Project Love, Peace, Unity. We are starting it. Actually, I started a while ago. I can leave a link to that in the description below. But I'll give you an overview of some of the things this movement will entail, some of the various and sundry steps. The Love, Peace, Unity movement will include things such as learning to love and forgive yourself more, so that you may rise and not only love yourself fully, thus eliminating all fears and hatreds, and becoming a more powerful you. Next is loving and forgiving others, especially those who hurt you, those who you may believe don't deserve it. So, those are just a few of the steps. This is an announcement video. We will be gathering followers here. We will be doing a mass meditation for the enlightenment of humanity, to spread love, peace, and unity for that reason, and for the other reason, which is to speed up the awakening of this planet and of all of humanity. So for those two reasons. And we'll be attempting, actually no, we will not be attempting, we will be going international to various multiple countries around the world, because the more people we have to do this, the more people we have joining in, the better we can actually make this world. You know, the world is changing now. The world is going from being infested with political leaders, actors, singers, world leaders, economists, people who do not care about us, people who do not care for the average man, who do not care about economic prosperity for all the people, personal prosperity, people who do not want what I would call the golden age of Earth. But we do. We are the resistance. We are the Love, Peace, Unity movement. It starts right now. So everyone join in. Join the group on Facebook, and I will be sure to update you. It's Wednesday. I will be sure to make a follow-up video on Thursday tomorrow. So thank you all very much. Love, peace, and unity to you all, and let's bring this movement to full power. Let's do this. Let's make this happen, my brothers and sisters. Thank you.